What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and we made over $7,000 so far today, and it's literally only 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So, this is the power of the holidays, right? Because today is Christmas. Oh, my bad. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays if you don't celebrate Christmas or whatever. But check this out, guys, right? So over 7,500. Now I screenshotted the whole month here so you guys can think it was like something that happens every single day. This is literally just Christmas Day that this happened here. Now this is the power of the big days of the year. So if you missed, what was it, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas Eve, Christmas today, your best bet to make thousands upon thousands of dollars one day is going to be next month, right? You might even get away with New Year's, but if you haven't done anything at all, you don't have a budget or anything along those lines, it's not going to be likely, okay? I'm just being 100% honest with you. So set a goal right now, set all your stuff up, set a website up, get a store running, whatever it is you want to be promoting, and then next month have it all up and ready, and then start having traffic going to it, building an email list, so that way you can send out a nice chunk, so this mainly what this came from was just straight up emails, right? So that way you can get a nice chunk of people on your email list, so that way you can just send out whatever it is you're promoting, a nice discount, a deal, or whatever, and like it's only for this amount of hours, and then bam, right? Just gonna get paid. Literally, it's just that simple. But you gotta set it up right now. All right. So I'm gonna explain this a little bit more here on a little board. Also, if you're thinking about getting the one-on-one training, it will be closed on the 27th. So just so you guys know that, going to be closed after that. I'm thinking I might have something where I'm like building a done for you campaign with people where we literally go step by step and build a done for you campaign out and stuff like that. But that's going to be for more like veterans, because you have to have money for that. Like there's like, if you basically don't have at least $2,500, I wouldn't even do it with you, to be for real with you. But that's a whole different video, whatever. But so basically all I did, guys, for this store to make this $7,000 in one day, as you guys can see, it wasn't like it was getting sales every single day. It wasn't like, consistent sales every single day or whatever. What you need to do is basically, well, it depends on what you're promoting, of course. So let's say like you're doing making money online, all right? Because everybody does make money online for some reason. So let's say you're doing making money online, right? And this is your email list that you're building, and let's say you get something low like let's just say 15K for the month, right? For your email list. So let's say you get your 15K for the email list, and then every single day, right, you're just sending them massive value. It's not spam if people want to see your content. It's only spam when people don't want to see your content. If someone's sending you full proof, full dump for you campaign or whatever it is every single day of the month, you're going to look forward to that email. You're going to look for it. You're going to look forward to that training. You're going to look forward to that coming in. If they say, oh, I'm going to see you an email every single day at 5 p.m., and then every single day they're sending you high quality information. Soon as 4:30 comes, you're going to be opening up your email. 4:50 and stuff, you're going to be by the computer and stuff waiting, so that way you can go do the training and stuff like that. So don't think it's just spam if you're messaging your people every single day. It's only spam if they don't want to see your content. All right. So let's say you're sending them kind of massive value, so they're actually making money. That's the thing. You're going to get people results. So they're making money, making money, and making money, and so on and so on. So then basically your whole thing is to make them enough money to where they can afford, this up here, what you're selling. So let's say this was a $500 course, right? So over the course of however long, let's say like 2 or 3 weeks or whatever, you're setting a massive value, your step-by-step training or whatever it may be to get them to make $500. Right? Then you sell them this right here. They know that you're going to get them results because you've already gotten them results without them even pulling out their credit card or pulling out the card or whatever it is to pay you. So they already know your stuff works. So, and then they made the money from this right here, all this training down here to afford this here, right? So it's going to be pretty much, basically it's like you're paying their way in or whatever. They're just doing the work. So from there, that's pretty much it. You just continue to collect, and that's what you got to do though. Like it's a very simple process. There's a lot of people that don't want to do it because this takes a lot of work. Like this takes a lot of work. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like this does take a lot of work, and it also takes money up front if you don't, have your own like email marketing service and stuff like that, right? So it does take a little bit of money, even for like something low like 15K. Well, that's not much. It might be like $100 a month for like 25,000 if you go to like Get Response or something like that. Each one has their own thing or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's literally all I did to make that $7,000 in one day. So you got your email list. Send them information on a daily basis, depending or whenever you want to send them out information. If it's something into making money online, I would recommend that you teach them how to make money, so that way they actually see results. That way they can use the money they make from your training to buy whatever it is that you're selling. That's pretty much the only way that this is gonna like really, really hit the nail on the head. Like guaranteed. Because I mean, that's the whole thing, is getting people results. Like that's it. But again, that is pretty much it. If you got any questions, let me drop it down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, happy holidays to everyone. And try this method out right here, guys. If you do it right, it will work for you.